Hello, welcome back. Welcome to my beef welly video. Oh, you're going to love this one. So this is one of the first things I ever cooked when I had my first dinner party at home. I did it with homemade pastry because, you know, I was a bit more enthusiastic back then. And it come out, the pastry was rock hard. You had to hit it with a hammer to open it. But the meat inside was absolutely amazing. So since then, I just use frozen puff pastry now. And it's beautiful every time. So what we need is, I'm doing oyster blade again, my friends. So I've only ever used oyster blade for beef Wellingtons. The first thing we're going to do is you get as many as you want to make your parcels and clean the fat off the outside and stick it in a big bowl. We're going to need a handful of mushrooms and we want to slice them up, and we need an onion and we want to slice that up. And for the marinade, I have always used Strongbow apple cider. This is the original one, so you don't want sweet and you don't want dry, you want the one in the middle, okay? So if you can't get Strongbow, just go to your, it isn't alcohol, just go to your pub or your bottle-o and just ask what sort of apple ciders they've got and try and get the one in the middle. Not sweet, not, I think the one in the middle most people would call draft. Okay, and try and get your apple cider because this is what makes it beautiful. Alright, I'm going to clean the meat. I'm going to slice up the mushies and onions. Just slice them all up and we're going to whack them in a big bowl. Okay, now we've got it all cut up in a bowl. We're going to get, now this is a 355ml bottle. I don't know if you remember this when you were younger. I was a lightweight drinker when I first started back in the day. And I used to love drinking Strongbows. They used to be in a shorter, fatter bottle. And if I didn't drink them, I used to drink St. Tropez. They are so yummy. Okay, so we just pour it all in. Exactly like that. And this is all we have to do. And then we cover it up in Glad wrap and we stick it in the fridge for a good couple of hours. So these aren't traditional, obviously. These are like Aussie style, mate. Okay, so what we're going to do is get a bit of meat. I think I'm going to... You can do them any way you want. I'm not very good when it comes to pastry and that. I'm a bit blasé about it. Alright, let's see if I can do one there. And I'll put a little bit of mushrooms on them. And some onion. Little as much as you want. You can make them as big or as small as you want. Now, I'm going to cut it here. Excuse me, I'm a bit slow today. Alright, I can probably put that back a bit to the middle. Alright. No, I had it right. Join them up. Press it down. I like leaving the plastic on the bottom. It makes it a lot easier, and then you can like take them off and put them on the tray. And okay, so it is important to try and really seal them. So I'm just going to do it like that, and then fold the ends over. Seal them in good. I'm just going to cut these in strips. I always like doing this sort of stuff on pastry. It's fun and it looks good. Oops. Can't do that right. Okay. And then I'm just going to like put them all across it somehow and see if I can make it look a bit prettier. I'll fast forward it until I get to the end, but that's all I'm doing. It's just strip over strip. Oh, how cute do they look? Oh, I love doing stuff like this. I'm not very good with the pastries and that and getting them all looking nice, but I reckon you can always cover up your basicness with just something like that. Really simple and easy. Lots of fun. Alright, I'm just getting a little bit of milk over the top, and then I'm going to put them on a baking tray with a baking paper, and I'm going to stick them in the oven, and I will tell you in a minute exactly how long they took. Oh, the smell in this kitchen is just yum. Check this out, my friends. They took exactly 50 minutes in my electric oven. Now, what I forgot to say before is that if you want, when you put the milk on, you can put sesame seeds on them. I just did it on one of them. Sesame seeds are a superfood, so whack them on anything you can. Oh yeah, baby. Boom. There we have it, my friends. Beef wellies, Aussie girl style. Alright, I'll grab a knife. Cut one open. Oh, yeah, baby. I'm on a stupid angle here trying to go around the camera. See if you can see or not. Oh, I can't see properly. What about me? I can't see properly. Oh, hang on, I'll flick that up a bit. Oh, mate. Oh, look, they are yum. Just yummy. They are so different. The melt in your mouth meat, the onion and mushroom in there. Oh, have an awesome day, my friends. You know me, I'll be back. Oh, and I usually just make them with mash and veggies. But you don't even need gravy because the meat is that tasty. You don't even want to cover it up with gravy. Bye.